Introducing the all-new GT Radial MAXTOUR LX. From road trips to nights out, the new MAXTOUR LX is not only reliable, it uses all the best of GT Radial's advanced technology for all-season performance and a smooth, quiet ride. Responsive and tactical, the MAXTOUR LX was designed with stiff outer tread blocks and an independent shoulder groove, delivering precise wet and dry handling. And on top of all that, the MAXTOUR LX comes with a 70,000-mile treadwear warranty and 24/7 roadside assistance, giving you ultimate confidence on the road. When it comes to braking, every foot is worth a mile. In a recent 60 to 0 miles per hour wet braking test, the MAXTOUR LX beat the competition. Stopping several feet before its closest competitor, the MAXTOUR LX is what you want underneath you. Finding the right size for popular vehicles is now easier than ever. The MAXTOUR LX brings 42 sizes on popular fitments for the top 20 passenger and crossover vehicles sold in the US in 2018. The MAXTOUR LX, for every experience, for all seasons. Visit maxtourlx.com and experience the performance.